In this video, I'll guide you through how to deposit cash at a Capital One ATM. Whether you're a seasoned bank goer or new to using ATMs for deposits, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. First off, you need to locate a Capital One ATM that accepts cash deposits. You can easily do this by using the Capital One mobile app or their online ATM locator. It's always a good idea to double-check that the ATM you're heading to has the cash deposit feature, as not all machines may offer this capability. Once you've found a suitable ATM, the next step is to insert your debit card into the machine. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN, so make sure you have that handy. This is a key step to access your account and ensure that the machine recognizes you as an authorized user. After entering your PIN, look at the on-screen menu and select the deposit option. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Following this, you'll need to choose which account you want to deposit your cash into. Typically, you have options like checking or savings, so it's important to select the right one based on where you want your money to go. Now, here's where the actual cash deposit happens. Insert your cash directly into the cash slot. There's no need for an envelope, which makes the process quicker and less cumbersome. The ATM will automatically count the cash and display the deposited amount on the screen. Take a moment to confirm that the amount shown is correct. This step ensures that there's no discrepancy with your deposit. Finally, once you've verified the amount, complete the transaction. Don't forget to take your receipt. This serves as a record for your records, offering peace of mind that your deposit was successfully processed. And there you have it. That's how you deposit cash at a Capital One ATM. By following these steps, you can handle your banking needs efficiently and with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy depositing.